Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on a PC. To begin, you'll need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics a mobile device on your computer. BlueStacks is widely considered one of the best options for gaming due to its performance and user-friendly interface. Before downloading, ensure your personal computer meets the minimum system requirements, typically including at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor, for a smooth experience. Once you've decided on BlueStacks, navigate to its official website using your web browser. Locate the download button and click it to get the installer file. After the download completes, run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts. You'll then be asked to log in with your Google account, which is essential for accessing the Google Play Store and downloading games within the emulator. With BlueStacks successfully installed and your Google account linked, open the emulator. You'll see an interface similar to an Android tablet. Find and click on the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar at the top, type Brawl Stars and press Enter. Once the game appears in the search results, simply click the Install button to download and automatically set up the game within your emulator. After Brawl Stars is installed, launch it from the BlueStacks home screen. BlueStacks typically provides default keyboard and mouse mappings for popular games like Brawl Stars, allowing you to start playing immediately. However, for a truly personalized experience, you can customize these keybinds to your preference. Additionally, explore the emulator's settings to adjust frame rates, perhaps to 60 frames per second, and resolution for optimal visual quality and smoother gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.